So children, let's look into the next part of farming in Palampur. Is the question, is there a way one can grow more from the same land? Now the farmer is wondering, we have fixed land, no more land is available. We cannot, how can we increase our production? Now there are three ways by which production can be increased. One is by multi-cropping, growing two or more crops in the same year in a piece of land during the year. So we will see how they can grow two or more crops. That is called as multi. As I told you children, one of the ways of increasing production is multi-cropping, that is growing two or more crops in the same piece of land during the year. Now how will that farmer do it? Now look at into this. In the rainy season, that is the Kharif season, he can grow jowar and bajra. And then in October and December he can grow potato, and in winter season, that is the Rabi season, he can grow wheat. Okay, so this is called as multiple cropping. Children, another way to increase production is using modern farming methods. Now what are the modern farming methods? That we must use high yielding variety seeds, that is called as H5V seeds. We have learned this last year. Okay, with the help of these seeds we can get more grains on one stock. Okay, so and we must use chemical fertilizers and pesticides to kill the insects, and in this way we can increase our farm production. Okay, then the third way is to increase production is using modern farming machines, because if we use that, and especially tractors and threshers, they dig into the soil, and with tube wells proper irrigation is done, which helps the plants to grow further. So modern machines, they include tractors, threshers and tube wells, which will help in increasing production. Okay, so in this way the farmer can grow more from the same land. As I told you, land is fixed in Palampur. So these are the three methods where he can increase his farm production, that is by multiple cropping. Then the other is using modern farming methods. Okay, these are the modern farming methods. And the third way is using modern farming machines. Okay, children, I had mentioned that one of the ways to increase production by using modern farming methods. And what were the three things that I told you? By using H5V seeds, chemical fertilizers and pesticides. Now with the help of these modern farming methods, finally farmers in our country started growing and producing more and more food crops. Now for a country especially like India, when we got freedom, we hardly had any food to feed our population. Okay, we were struggling with how to increase the production, and all this happened because of the Green Revolution. Okay, with the help of the Green Revolution, that said that when we use H5V seeds, that is high yielding variety seeds, chemical fertilizers and pesticides, we got more and more production of crops and food crops in our country. So now let me tell you a brief thing. What was the Green Revolution? Children, you must know who introduced Green Revolution in India. Now it was an initiative by an American scientist, Norman Borlaug. He, along with our Indian scientist M.S. Swaminathan, they came up on this formula that if we use high yielding variety seeds. Now what are these seeds? Actually, when wheat was grown in our country, the stalks used to be very long and tall, and they hardly bore any kind of grains on it. But with the help of this high yielding variety seeds, the stalks would remain small and it would be loaded with grains on it. So with the help of this, food production, especially rice and wheat, increased by leaps and bounds, and that is why we called it as a Green Revolution. Suddenly a country which was struggling to feed its population now had surplus food growing in its country that could feed its own population and also export it to other countries. Earlier we were dependent and would beg countries to give us food. In fact, it is said Jawaharlal Nehru Indira Gandhi appealed to the United States of America to give them wheat. But nobody looked into us at that time. But now we have so much of production in our country that we can export this to the other countries of the world. So this is all happened because of the Green Revolution. Okay. And along with high yielding variety seeds, it was using chemical fertilizers and using pesticides, because whatever the farmers were growing earlier, the pests would eat it up. So it would hardly, and we would hardly get any production. So with the help of these three things, it led to green revolution in our country. Now children, we will see that even in Palampur, production increased because of the green revolution. Earlier they were using traditional seeds and they were growing 1300 kgs per hectare. Hectare is a measurement of land. But when they started using HYV seeds, it started this doubled up and almost 3 times. It was 3200 kgs per hectare. So you can see the difference with the green revolution. And the first states to start this was Haryana, Punjab, okay, and Western Uttar Pradesh. These were the 3 states which started using these high-yielding variety seeds, pesticides, and fertilizers, which led to green revolution. And then it was followed by others, farmers in our country. Okay.